Today I'm gonna show you how to convert the copper tubing to PEX. So right now I've already pre-installed the Delta valve, multi-choice mixing valve, and this is my main line right here. This is my cold water and my hot water. What I'm going to do is to convert my main line piping to regular PEX. What do you need to convert the copper piping to PEX is you need a torch, you need a soldering kit. So you need the torch, you need the flux, and you need the silver solder. So the flux comes with the brush, so you have to do the little soldering because you're gonna have to put a sweat valve on it to convert to the PEX. And you need a pipe cutter. I have a close quarter pipe cutter. And for the PEX, the tools you need is of course the crimping tool, and of course you need the mixing valve. So and some of the you need an elbow, you need a female adapter for PEX. So I put a copper tubing plug here because I'm not using any tub spout anymore. So and shower goes right there. I have a test plug, a yellow one, in case I turn on the water won't burst out. So I'm gonna show you how to convert from copper piping to PEX. I forgot to mention that you need the sandpaper and the brush tool.
So after you cut both pipes, you need to deburr your copper pipes. Use a deburring tool, or in my case, I use a sandpaper because I really have a tight section on the pipe where it plays. And also you have to deburr your female sweat converter to PEX before you solder it. And now it's time to solder. So after you solder both pipes and inserted both female sweat converter, you're gonna have to wait for it to cool down before you install your PEX. And for the complete tutorial how to use PEX tubing, please rely on the other video. I might have to do another tutorial about it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching for this tutorial. I hope you like the video, and please subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.